A healthy lake doesn't happen by accident. It takes a community. If you love your lake, get involved. Join or support your local lake association. When neighbors work together, real change happens, ensuring your lake stays clean, safe, and beautiful for generations to come. And when it comes to keeping your water healthy, ditch the chemicals. At EverBlue Lakes, we believe in working with nature, not against it. Chemical treatments might seem like a quick fix, but they can cause long-term damage, fueling more muck, weeds, and toxic algae blooms. The best solutions are natural treatments and aeration systems that restore your lake the right way. No shortcuts, no harmful side effects, just real, lasting results. Because a thriving lake isn't just part of your property, it's part of your life. EverBlue Lakes. Let's build your dream lakefront. Contact us today at everbluelakes.com.